next?
The last person responsible for all of this dies tonight.
If we make it out of here, you think you're ready?
I was made for this.
Citadel Command, this is Captain Cross. Mission accomplished. I have Colonel Taggart in custody, ready for extraction. Report. Taggart's order led directly to the collapse of the Central Blue Zone.
Welcome home. Operation Red Light is over.
What about our men? The ones on the ground in Manhattan?
You didn't think I was that naive, did you? When you have a festering wound, you cauterize it. We'll be saving millions of American lives. I won't let you erase New York like you erased hope.
What? We're 6 minutes out, and only I know the code.
You were at Hope, Idaho. You took something from Elizabeth Green. I know what Blackwatch has done. Because everyone I've killed, they're in me. They are me.
That's how you... I've stopped this damn thing before. Stopped it dead. Hope Idaho was just a sacrificial lamb. Necessary cruelty. Shoot anything that moves. No one comes in, nothing gets out.
Sir, the walkers have sealed themselves in the hospital. We have orders to liquidate the entire population.
The mother and child are now military assets. And I just made general officer.
You bastard. You could have stopped all this. You let it happen.
When the weapon detonates, and they think the infection is cleansed, they won't be looking for me. And when I consume you, I'll be able to withstand even this.
All hands on deck! All hands on deck! Intruder alert! Zeus is in barn! This is not a drill! Target update. All points, target update. We have hostiles on the Reagan upper deck. Targets will be marked. Make that first approach count. Despite what you may see, you are cleared for takeoff.
approach. Confirmed. Winding up. Give us a few seconds here. We're legs open right now.
Target update. All points, target update. We have hostiles on the Reagan upper deck. Targets will be marked. Make that first approach count. Despite what you may see, you are cleared for takeoff.
I have him. Get laser range and I'll hold it there. Hard to tell. It's right off our left. Left low. Figure it out. Dark 2-7. Back in. Get your strobes on. Second wing on approach. Confirmed. Roger, Red Crown. Testing the flight. Second wing on approach. Confirmed. Red Crown, we've confirmed activation of the father device. It's live and counting. We're looking at minutes. Deployment.
Bomb.
Insertion underway. Infantry in the field. We are clear to go.
Two minutes remaining. Any helicopters with open spots, please land and pick up crew and injured on the upper deck. Bring them home, people.
I looked for the truth. Found it. Didn't like it. Wish the hell I could forget it. Alex Mercer. The city suffered for his mistakes. For what he did at Penn Station. And whoever he was, that's a part of me. Because when I close my eyes, I see the memories of 1,000 dead men screaming as I take their lives. Moments I'll relive forever. What have I become? Something less than human, but also something more.
Size of the bomb dropped at Hiroshima.
Is there anything you'd like to say?
One virus, 3 weeks, millions dead. And I was there. My name was Alex Mercer. And my work is almost done.